In the science fiction movie Minority Report, personalized advertising tailored to suit people's moods is everywhere.
Hello, Mr. Yakamoto. Welcome back to the Gap. How those assorted tank tops work out for you?
That could soon become reality. The advertising industry uses emotional decoding technology to read people's facial expressions. London-based company Realize uses it to analyze customers' emotional reactions to ads from the likes of Coca-Cola and Adidas. Their software tracks even the smallest of facial movements and recognizes emotions like confusion and joy.
Emotions are quite complex, and we as people do not really understand them very well by now. So that's where computers are actually getting better, because there's more intelligence on a back end than a single person. I think Gartner has said that in 2025, an average device will know more about your emotional state than your family does.
Realize deploys artificial intelligence to decipher customers' facial expressions. Test subjects watch clips either on their laptops or smartphones, while the built-in cameras record their reactions. The software then analyzes what viewers are feeling at any given moment to the split second.
Well, our faces say a lot about our mood, about our emotions. And through emotional decoding, we can identify a person's intentions or how individuals react to something, like to advertising, for example.
Emotional decoding technology builds on US psychologist Paul Ekman's research from the 1970s. Ekman studied so-called micro-expressions and then used them to infer 7 different basic emotional states. This technology is also used in medical contexts. For instance, it can help people with autism better understand others around them. And it's also used to allow robots to better understand humans and find the right responses to different situations. That way, a real relationship between humans and machines can evolve. Emotional decoding is also being installed in cars to monitor if drivers are distracted or tired and alert them.
You've got to be careful, because you'll also lose some of your privacy. With this technology, I reveal things about myself that I normally wouldn't give away voluntarily, and that I don't want every machine to know about me. So you need to pay close attention and check where algorithms like that are being used, and if that's happening with my consent.
Apps of the future could make use of emotion sensing technology, just like some apps use GPS location data already, which can be helpful in everyday situations, but also means that even more companies get access to such sensitive information.
I think that's a bigger topic we see discussed anywhere, that users have to be more aware and more in control about all of their data. So I don't think it's very specific to the emotion data. It's just as the same as it is with other pieces of data like location and your web usage and all those things. So overall, I think people are waking up to the understanding that they should have more control over that data.
Our emotions are being tracked and analyzed, so it's about time we come up with some rules about how this data is used.